Marissa here. Today we're going to do some fun process art to create a marbled paper effect using food coloring, water, and vegetable oil. So create along with me, you'll need vegetable oil, water, a large pan, smaller containers to mix your vegetable oil and your food coloring, a fork for mixing, and cardstock. To get started, you'll need to pour a small amount of vegetable oil into each of your small containers. The number of containers you have are going to be dependent on how many colors you'd like to use. After you pour your vegetable oil into each container, you're then going to take your food coloring and add a couple drops to each container. After that, you're going to use your fork to mix it well. Now that we have our oil and color mixture ready, we're going to take our water and pour about an inch of water in our dish. Once we have our water in there, we're going to slowly pour in our oil and our color. Place my cardstock into my dish. All right, cool beans, this is our finished product. Once you pull them out from the water, they'll still be very oily, so it's best to let them sit and dry for a couple of hours. But once they do, these make great note cards to write a sweet message on and send along with a birthday present to somebody that you love.